how to sell tickets on Ticketmaster. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, we will need to download and open the Ticketmaster app if we don't have it already, and just log into our account. Now access your tickets, tap on My Events at the bottom, so it should be at the bottom of your app, and select the event for which you want to sell the tickets. Then select tickets to sell, so look for the sell button, usually it should be next to your ticket, and choose the tickets that you want to sell by selecting them. The next step will be setting our price, so Ticketmaster may give you pricing recommendations based on the market demand, and you just gotta enter the price you want to list your tickets for. The very last step will be choosing our payment method. Select how you would like to get paid. Payment methods might include direct deposit or receiving the funds through a linked account. So that's basically it. That's how you sell your tickets on Ticketmaster. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.